Hello guys, and I welcome you to Talk with RD. In today's video we will discuss about machine learning project idea. This video will be very much helpful for you for making your project, especially related to machine learning. So I am making my video after a long gap, so extremely sorry for that. So without taking your much time, let me directly jump into the topic, that is machine learning project ideas by Talk with RD. Okay, so let's jump into our content. So if you see our content, our video is divided into three parts. That is, first part related to OpenCV slash computer vision. Second part related to general mathematics and logic. That is like regression, classification, such type of algorithm will be used here. And our third is TensorFlow. Okay, so let's start with OpenCV. So I think you know what is OpenCV. For the sake of simplicity, let me tell you, it's an library of programming file mainly aimed for real world or real time computer vision system. So this video is divided into again three subparts, that is for beginners, for intermediates, and for advanced. So first part in OpenCV is for beginners, and for beginners it is highly recommended to start with image basics with OpenCV. What is it? Image basics with OpenCV, or you can say just play with image and play with color. Every image is made up of three color: red, green, blue. So it's a same concept. Like here I have especially chosen this four project which are like color detection, edge detection, count dots in image, and image colorization. What is color detection? As you can see this image, it consists of multiple color. So the goal of this model is to detect every color present in an image. Okay, so our second project in this category is edge detection. This one is called edge detection. Edge detection is an image processing technique for detecting the edges in image or to determine the boundaries of object within image. So I hope this is understand. And third one is count dots in image. It can be white, it can be black, and the same piece of code can be used to count both dots, that is white and black. Okay, so number of black dot in white background image or vice versa. Okay, so fourth project is image colorization. As you can see here, this is a colorized image. Okay, so image colorization is a technique that adds style to a photograph or applies a combination technique. One popular project for this category is, as I have told you, the convert black and white image to colored image. So this ends our beginner category. There are many more projects, you can explore it as well. So our next category is for intermediates. So in intermediates category, it is highly recommended to work with objects like face detection, smile detection, or identity or classification or object detection. So I have chosen here four projects, that is face detection, smile detection, image classification, pedestrian detection. What is face detection? You can see this image. The goal of this model is to detect the faces of humans by mapping facial features from a video or image. It can be live video, it can be recorded video, or it can be a image. So our second project is smile detection. As you can see, she's smiling very nice. So the goal of this model is to detect smile in video or in image. It can be real world, it can be real time, or recorded as well. Third category is, or third project is image classification. What is this classification? So the purpose of this project is to classify image where a set of target class is defined. So it's a kind of a supervised learning problem. Okay, it is classifying this as a cat, or it can classify one thing as a dog, it can classify fruits and anything. Okay, and fourth project is pedestrian detection, which is a very interesting project, guys. The purpose of this project is to detect a human body and to track it in constrained environment. You can take three form, that is from either take live video, or take a recorded video, or take image as well. So this and there are many other projects like car detection, plane detection. Many type of project can be used to make or comes in a category of intermediates. So this ends our intermediate category. Just explore more projects, and after that we advance. This is our advanced category, and it's a very nice projects. I have listed these four very beautiful projects, that is face mask detection, which is very trending nowadays. Second is a real-time Sudoku solver, Third is face swapping with OpenCV, and fourth is social distancing system. Let me describe this project one by one. Our first project is in our advanced category is face mask detection. It is highly recommended and very trending project nowadays. Why? You know it very well, because of COVID. So this can be make this model can be make using Keras and TensorFlow and many other type of method where you need to train a very huge amount of data set for efficient answer. Okay. Second one is real-time Sudoku solver. The purpose of this project is to solve a Sudoku in a real time. You don't need to do anything. You need to show the machine or the camera the unsolved Sudoku. The rest of thing will be done by your machine. So this is a very nice project and very trendy project in advanced category. So our third project in our category is face swapping with OpenCV. Very popular among social media. You can take example of a Snapchat filter, a gender swap. Uh, I hope you have tried such things. So our fourth project in our category is social distancing system. Again, a highly recommended system nowadays. So what you need to do here, your camera can identify and test people who are not following social distancing. As you have heard of a very trending jingle, दो गज की दूरी मास्क है ज़रूरी. So it's the same concept like this. So you need to detect people who are not following a minimum amount of social distance, like 2 feet among them. There should be a gap of 2 feet among the peoples. You can also combine project number one and fourth and make a very thorough model which can fight with corona. So this is our last category in advanced section, and sorry, this is our last category in OpenCV. So let me introduce to our to next category, that is general mathematics and logic. This is based on machine learning algorithm like regression, clustering, classification, all those kind of things. So first category here is for beginners. So I recommend you to make this two project, that is house price prediction and stock price prediction using machine learning. What is this house price prediction? Here the data set has house price. You download a data set from very some like sites like Kaggle, for example. So the data set has house price for particular reason, and a price very vary or depends in various factors like crime rate, number of rooms, and all those kind of examples. Okay, so it's a good machine learning project for beginners. And our second project is stock price prediction using machine learning. So the aim of this project is that there are many data sets available for a stock market price. So the aim of this project is to predict the future price of stock. So after making this model, you can tell your uncle in a sure manner that invest this time in stock market, so he will wins. Okay. So our next category is for intermediates. Okay, so I have chosen this three project which are like Bitcoin price prediction, handwriting character recognition, and sign language recognition using machine learning. What is this first one? So it's a useful project where you will analyze the previous data set and predict the price of Bitcoin in a real time. So I hope you understand this. Second one is handwritten character recognition. So it's again a very useful project where you will detect and recognize handwriting character, that is from A to Z, from 1 to 9, like this. Okay. And third one is sign language recognition using machine learning. So we will create a sign language recognition which detects sign language. It's really helpful for deaf and dumb people in communication with each other. So you can contribute to the society as well by making this model. Last one is for advanced. So I have chosen this two project, that is sentiment analysis using machine learning and speech emotion recognition. What is sentiment analysis? So sentiment analysis is a process to analyze the emotion of a user. So suppose if I write something, your model can predict whether his written things is consist of positive vibes, negative vibes, or neutral. So it's a concept like this. And second one is speech emotion recognition. It take a part of a speech as input and then determine in what emotion the speaker is speaking. Either he can be angry, he can be sweet, etc, etc. So this ends our general mathematics and logic which based on thorough machine learning algorithm. And our next and last category is TensorFlow, neural network, and deep learning. They're same things. Okay, so it's a very awesome and cool library. I enjoy doing TensorFlow very much. Okay, so if we see for beginners, I have listed this three project. Fourth one is comment. Okay, so first one is predict next sequence. Okay, so it's a very basic project in category of TensorFlow that you can build is to predict the next sequence. Suppose I take a odd number. Okay, 1 3 1 3 5 7 and like this. Okay, so this is a very simple example. Your model can predict that after 10,000 iteration what will be the number. So it's a like that concept. Okay, so next one is cat versus dogs. Let me rub it. So cat versus dog, what is this? uh, you can build a model that takes a image as input and determine whether it's a dog or a cat. Here you need to train a neural network which can identify whether a given input image is a cat or a dog. It's a very nice and interesting project. You can try it. And next one is a dog breed identification. Sometime you got stuck that regarding breed of a particular dog, so just take his image and upload it in your model. Your model can give you the output whether he is Pomerian, Labra, anything. Okay, so for this machine learning is really awesome. Yes, it is. So next one in our category is for intermediate ones. So I have chosen here especially two projects. Okay, so first one is traffic sign classification. You need to build a model where you can upload an image as input and it classify which sign it is. It's a good project to understand image classification with help of TensorFlow. You need to build a neural network here. You need to build a neural network here, so which can classify your model. So, and second one is pneumonia detection. What is it? You need to take an X-ray image as input and predict the output whether a person suffers from pneumonia or not. So similar to that, you can build a system like cancer detection and nowadays COVID detection. Okay, and many more projects. You can choose, you can explore it, guys. Let me rub it. So this comes to an end of intermediate category. There are many more projects, you can classify it. And our last category is for advanced one. Hard, they're a hard project, but don't panic. Okay, so I have chosen here two project: gender and age detection. You have seen a mobile which is inbuilt of AI camera nowadays, where you can take an image as input and it classify in a real time whether he is male or female and his age in real time. So but in my case it always fails, so it doesn't matter. You need to build a system with a minimum error. So second one is human activity recognition with the video classification. So build a model which can detect the human activity, like suppose he if he is picking something or opening and closing something, eating an apple or like this. So it's a very it can be hard. You need to train a neural network, but it's very cool project. Okay, so this comes to an end to our advanced category. So thank you. If you enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe my video. And if you let me know in the comment section, do you need a second part of this video? If you tell, I will arrange some more cool projects and will tell you. So thank you and bye.